What if I told you that you could turn just $100 into $1,000 by this time next year? In this video, I am revealing 3 methods that actually work in 2025, and no, this isn't clickbait. Welcome back to Neo Finance. If you're serious about building wealth starting with almost nothing, you're in the right place. Make sure you're subscribed because what you learn today might just change your life. Method number 1 is micro-investing. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert. Method 2, e-flipping. This is one of the most underrated ways to make money online. Method 3, AI-powered side hustles. Welcome to the future. So there you have it, 3 realistic ways to turn $100 into $1,000 in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.